Okay, so now, here's another example of a complex fraction. Okay, so again, we're going to handle it the same way that we handled the last one. So we're going to deal with the top and the bottom separately. We're going to get a common denominator and simplify the top, and then we're going to get a common denominator and simplify the bottom. Okay, and then we'll just change it to a multiplication problem. Okay, so let's do the top first. Okay, so the top, well, again, this is 1, so we can treat this as 1 over 1, right? And then multiply the top and the bottom by x. So we can write this as x over x. Okay, so we'll write this as x over x minus 2 over x. And then now the bottom, look at the bottom. So this is just an x, we can't do anything with this. But this one we can factor out an x. So we can write this as x times the quantity x plus 4. So now we've got an x here, we've got an x plus 4. So the least common divisor is going to be x times x plus 4, right? And so we need an x plus 4 over here. So in order to get that, we need to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 4. So that means we're going to get x plus 4 over x times x plus 4 plus 2 over x times x plus 4. Okay, now we can combine the top and the bottom. Okay, so this combines to what? X minus 2 over x over, and then this will combine to what? X plus 4 plus 2 over x times x plus 4. And now let's just simplify this a little bit. So this will equal x minus 2 over x, and then of course we can simplify this to x plus 6 over x times x plus 4. And now I'm going to change it to a multiplication problem. So that's going to change it to what? It's going to change it to x minus 2 over x times x plus 4 over x plus 6. And so now here we're going to combine again. So we're going to get x minus 2 times x plus 4 times x on the top, and on the bottom we get x times x plus 6. And now we look for things we cancel, and so we can see right away that the x and the x, these common factors, will divide each other out, right? Cancel each other. And so our final answer is what's left over, because none of this can be simplified any further. So this is going to be x minus 2 times x plus 4 over x plus 6. And we're done. Now, what if we want to verify this in the calculator? So again, if you want to verify that this expression is the same as this expression, then what you would do is you would set this equal to y1, and you would set this equal to y2 in your calculator. And then again, you've got to make sure you put parentheses around. So make sure you've got to put parentheses around this, put parentheses around this. You've got to make sure you have enough parentheses to make sure that you're graphing the correct thing. And again, you can graph this one with a thin line, and you can graph this one with a thick line, and then you just watch it, graph it carefully, because it'll graph it first with the thin line, and then it'll graph it again right over the same thing. Because if these are the same, which they are, they should be, to check it, you can do it graphically by plotting them, and it should plot the exact same line. That's why you have to plot one with a thin line and plot one with a thick line, or if you can do colors, you can plot one with one color and one with another color. and then you can watch it color, in blue, let's say, and then it'll go right over the same lines with red, let's say. Okay, so again, that's the way you would do it in the calculator. If you have any questions about that, let me know, and I'll help you out. Okay, take care, have a great day.